Hello everyone, this is me Garima Singh. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, that is mineral and energy resources. I'm discussing basically geography. So chapter is mineral and energy resources. I think it's not be visible, so I have to increase its visibility. Mineral and energy resource. So mineral, as you can see, mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical property that called mineral. So we will discuss mineral and energy resources. Here we discuss the types of mineral resources. I think I should reduce it, otherwise it not come in this prescribed area. I go with 125. Types of mineral resources. So these minerals are rich in metals, that is as I've said, minerals are classified on the basis of their physical and chemical properties, like metallic mineral and non-metallic minerals. So we will discuss what are metallic mineral first. Metallic minerals are rich in metals, that is copper, bauxite, iron, manganese, etc. These are of two types, as you can see here, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous, these are rich in iron content and important source of iron. Then non-ferrous, these do not have iron content and have highest proportion of other metals like copper and bauxite. Let's move to the non-metallic mineral. As I've said, mineral is basically classified on the basis of their physical and chemical property. So iron is the main content. If it's present, it's ferrous. If not, it's non-ferrous. Then move to non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic do not have content of metal. They are classified into two groups. That is organic, or you can say fuel mineral. Other is non-metallic, that is inorganic mineral. So fuel mineral or organic mineral, these are made up of organic matter of buried animal and plant over a million of years. Example, coal and petroleum, natural gas, etc. Then on the other side, non-metallic minerals, these are inorganic in nature of origin like mica, limestone, graphite. Let's discuss characteristic of mineral resource. So the main characteristic of mineral resource are like their distribution over the earth's surface are uneven. Somewhere you find more metal mineral resources, other area you don't find any of it. So they are uneven. There is an inverse relationship in quantity and quality of mineral. That is, good quality mineral are less in quantity as compared to low quality mineral. Then minerals are exhaustible. Once they used, cannot replenished immediately at the time of need. So mineral have to be conserved and used judicially. Now we will discuss distribution of mineral in India. So river valley of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi and Godavari have over 97% of coal reserve in India. Even sedimentary basin of Assam and offshore region in Arabian Sea, that is Gujarat and Mumbai High, are famous for their crude petroleum reserve. Even a new reserve of petroleum also have been found in the basin of Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri. As well as the mineral are generally concentrated in three broad belts in India. These are northeastern plateau region, southwestern plateau region and northwestern. So discuss north eastern plateau region. These belts are the region of Chotanagpur, Jharkhand, Orissa, Plateau, West Bengal and part of Chhattisgarh. Due to availability of these minerals, most of iron and steel industry are located here. Even important minerals like iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite, mica you can find here. Next is the southwest plateau region. Ferrous metal and bauxite are concentrated here along with high grade of iron ore, manganese and limestone. These belt is rich in coal packs except Neyveli lignite. Neyveli has lignite coal deposit. Deposits of monazite, sand and thorium are found in Kerala. Then mines of iron ore are located in Goa. So the southwestern plateau, it's extended over Karnataka, Goa and some upland part of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And the next is northwestern region. So major mineral are copper and zinc. Rajasthan is rich in building stone, that is sandstone, granite, marble, fuller earth and gypsum. Then Gujarat is rich in petroleum deposits. Salt is also produced in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Then mineral of these belt are associated with the Dharwar system of rock, which are found in Rajasthan and part of Gujarat. There are other region also like both eastern and western part of Himalaya belt have mineral like copper, lead, zinc, cobalt, tungsten. Then Assam Valley has mineral oil deposit. Besides, oil resources are also found in offshore area near Mumbai coast. Then spatial pattern of metallic minerals. Spatial pattern of mineral like firstly we discuss ferrous. Iron content is present in it. India is well placed in respect of ferrous mineral like iron ore, manganese, and chromite, like I have said earlier. These minerals provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industry. So we will discuss iron ore. Um, it's iron ore. Its superior quality of hematite and magnetite iron ore have a great demand in international market. Iron ore mines of India are found near the coal field of northeastern plateau region, which is an advantage of iron ore industry of India. Then India has largest iron ore reserve in Asia. So these in which state you find iron ore? So it's like you find in Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and other state also like Salem and Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu. In Andhra Pradesh, the area of Karimnagar, Wrangle, Kumul. In Maharashtra, it's located in Chandrapur, Bandra, Ratnagiri. In Karnataka, you find mines in Sundar Hospital area of Bale district, Baba Budan Hills, Kudirmukh. Then in Chhattisgarh, it's the belt extended to Durg, Dantewada, Rajhara. Then we will discuss manganese. All this what I'm saying you can find here in it. Then manganese. It is an manganese. So it is mainly associated with Dharwad system but found almost in all geographical formation. It is an important raw material which is used in iron and steel industry for smelting of iron ore. So sorry for the pause which I have taken. I have a bad throat, so I've taken a pause and I was drinking water in between then. So I go with manganese. It's an important raw material which is used in iron and steel industry for smelting of iron ore and in the manufacturing of ferroalloy. Then you find manganese in state like Orissa, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Other in Maharashtra, it's Balghat, Mandala, Chabu, and Maharashtra is the main disadvantage of mines in Maharashtra. They are located away from iron and steel plants like Nagpur, Bhandra, and Ratnagiri. In Karnataka is Dharwad, Belagavi, North Kannada. These are the few location you have to keep in mind. Then we will discuss non-ferrous. So non-ferrous like bauxite. So bauxite is the ore that used to manufacture aluminium and aluminium deposit. It is found in laterite rock, mostly in the plateau of hilly region of peninsular India. In Odisha, Odisha is the largest producer of bauxite. Then Jharkhand, it's Payland of Jharkhand. When it's Gujarat, it's Bhavnagar and Jamnagar are important site of bauxite. Chhattisgarh, it's Amarkantak Plateau. Madhya Pradesh, it's Katni, Jabalpur, Balaghat. Then other state like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Goa are other producer of bauxite. Let's move to copper. So copper it's also used to give strength in gold jewelry. Important copper states like Jharkhand, it's Singhbhum district, Madhya Pradesh, it's Balaghat area. Rajasthan is Jhunjhunu and Alwar. Andhra Pradesh it's Agni, Kundala and Kontur district. Then Guntur district. Karnataka is Chitradurga and Hassan. Tamil Nadu is South Arcot district. So copper it is a alloyable, malleable, inductible, and indispensable metal in electricity industry used for making wires, electric motors, transformer, and generator, as well as in jewelry, like I said. Then there are non-metallic minerals. So there is a mica. It basically this also used in electrical industry, which can be split into very thin, strong, and flexible sheets. So this you can find in state like Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Karnataka. So Jharkhand you find mica in Hazaribagh Plateau. Andhra Pradesh you find it in Nellore district. Rajasthan you find in 320-kilometer long belt from Jaipur to Bhilwara, that is near Udaipur, produce mica. Then Karnataka is Mysore and Hassan. There's important producer of mica. Then other state like Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Madurai, Kanyakumari. These are the other states where you find mica also. Then we will discuss energy resource. So all sector of Economy, that is agriculture, industry, transport, are run by power which comes from mineral fuels, whether conventional or non-conventional. We will discuss conventional source of energy. So coal is a conventional source of energy because these are exhaustible in nature. Fossil fuel like coal, petroleum, they are exhaustible. So first is coal. Uh, India has about 80% of bituminous coal, which is of a non-cooking grade. Then it is found in two rock sequences, that is Gondwana goldfield and Tertiary goldfield. As well as coal, it is required in the generation of thermal power and smelting of iron ore. So in, like I said, it is found in two rock sequence, Gondwana field. So Gondwana coal field, basically Damodar Valley, is the important coal field of India. Then Jharkhand and West Bengal coal have entire area of this coal field. Then Jharia is the largest coal field. Ranigarh is the second field, second largest field. First is Jharia, second is Raniganj in case of coal. Then Bokaro, Karanpur, more than this. So you have to remember first largest is Jharia, other is Raniganj. Then tertiary coal field. So tertiary is in Meghalaya is the Dharangiri, Cherrapunji. Then Assam you find Makam, Jaipur, Nazira and Upper Assam. Then Arunachal Pradesh is Namchik, Nampok, Jammu. These are tertiary coalfield area. Then there are other coalfields also beside the brown coal or lignite coal occur in the coastal area of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Gujarat, JNK. Then we will discuss next petroleum. So petroleum, it is also called liquid gold due to scarcity and different uses. Crude oil is found in sedimentary rocks of tertiary age. Before independence, Digboy was the only crude oil producing unit producing. Yeah, before Digboy was the only crude oil producing region in India, but after independence in 1956, ONGC Commission was, that is Oil and Natural Gas Commission, was set up. So important oil producing region are in Assam you find Digboy, Nagar, Katia and Morar. In Gujarat and Mumbai High, that is spread from Ankleshwar, Kilol, Mahasan, Godavari. There are two type of oil refinery. First is field-based refineries. That is Digboy is an example of. Then there is market-based refineries. So Baroni is an example of market-based. These are total 21 refinery as per the date of 2011. Then we will discuss natural gas. So natural gas, it occur along with oil as well as separately in gas reserve in India. These gas reserves are located along with eastern coast of Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, Rajasthan, even Gujarat and Maharashtra have offshore wells of natural gas. According to a survey report, these are indication of huge gas reserve. Then there is a non-conventional source of energy. So unlike conventional source of energy, non-conventional sources are renewable, that is solar, wind, hydro, geothermal and biomass, and are not threat to natural system. Their use ensures sustainable development, and these are environment friendly and cheaper energy source. So firstly we discuss nuclear energy resource. So uranium and thorium are the main mineral that are used to generate nuclear energy. Nuclear energy has emerged as a feasible source in recent time. Uranium deposit in India you found in Dharwad rock system. So Jharkhand, Singhbum along with the copper belt. Then Rajasthan, it's Udaipur, Alwar, Jhunjhunu district. Then Chhattisgarh is Durg district. Maharashtra, Bhandara district. Himachal is Kullu district. Then we will discuss here I was discussing a uranium deposit. Now discuss thorium. Thorium you find in Kerala, that is in monazite and white beach sands. Then Andhra Pradesh and Odisha also. So these three states have world richest monazite deposit. That is Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Odisha is nearby Mahanadi river belt, and Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam, Kerala is Palakkad and Kollam district. So the development of nuclear energy was started after establishment of Atomic Energy Institute at Tromboy, that was in 1954, which was renamed as Bhabha Atomic Research Center in 1967. So after that there are various research you can find nuclear research power stations like in Tarapur, Rawatbhatta, Kalpakkam, Narora, Kaiga. There are various. There is a list is long. Then solar energy. So sun energy trapped by two methods, that is photovoltaic cell and solar thermal technology, and convert into electricity is called solar energy. Then it's 7% and 10% more effective than coal and oil based plant. Then heaters, dryers, cooker and other heating appliances use solar energy more than other. Then we will discuss wind energy. So, wind energy is, as you know, non-polluting and renewable source. Thought turbine mechanism, kinetic energy, wind can be directly converted into electrical energy. India already has started generating wind energy to lessen the burden of oil import bill. It is estimated that India has 50,000 megawatt potential of wind generation, of which one fourth may be easily employed. The electricity can be produced permanently with the wind system like trade wind, westerlies, or seasonal winds like monsoon winds. Besides, production of electricity can also be done by local winds, land, and sea bridges. So there is a possibility of electricity generation. Then Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Karnataka have higher potential for development of energy. Let's discuss tidal and wave energy. So many effort for the efficient use of oceanic tide waves were started since 17th and 18th century. Ocean currents are the storehouse of infinite energy. Large tidal waves are known to occur along the west coast of India. Then magma that comes over the Earth's surface releases a vast amount of heat. This heat energy can be converted into electrical energy by tapping it. It is called geothermal energy. Then geothermal, when magma came out and you're tapping it and converting electricity, is geothermal energy. So main source of this energy are magma, hot spring, hot geyser. Geothermal energy is gaining importance and can be used as alternative to conventional energy. So in India, at Manikaran, Himachal Pradesh, a geothermal energy plant has been commissioned. Now, bioenergy. So bioenergy, it can contribute in improving economic life of rural people in developing countries, increasing environmental problems. It's like this can be little bit reduced. Then it can solve the problem of garbage and waste in urban area because energy can also be derived from these. It can be converted into electricity or electrical energy, heat and all. Bioenergy basically refer to energy derived from biological product like agricultural residue, municipal, industrial and others. So these are less polluting as compared to petroleum and coal. Now we will discuss conservation of mineral resource. There are some method have been adopted like use of substitute for scarce metal may also reduce their consumption. Then use of recycled scrap metal should be encouraged. Then adoption of renewable resource in place of exhaustible resource like solar power, wind, geothermal can save our non-renewable. Then export of strategic and scarce mineral must be reduced so that the existing reserve may be used for a longer period of time. So in that way, if we can use non-conventional, so then it is well and good. By just deteriorate and reduce our conventional source, then it can be done through non-renewable resource. Then recycling, then use substitute, use bioenergy. So I'm done with the crux of this chapter. Let's move on to the question. Question number one, you have to choose the right among the following. In which one of the following state are the major oil field located? So there are four options given here: Assam, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Bihar. So answer is Assam. It's Dogabar and others also. Then at which one of the following places was the first atomic power station started? That is Tarapur, Maharashtra. Then, which one of the following mineral is known as brown diamond? That is interesting question. It's lignite. It's a form of iron ore. It's known as brown diamond. Which one of the following is non-renewable source of energy? So thermal. Other are renewable. They can renew, but thermal is non-renewable. Answer the following. You have to answer in a minimum form. Give an account distribution of mica. So mica is produced in Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, then in Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. In Jharkhand, high quality of mica is obtained in a belt extending over a distance of about 150 km in length and about 20 km in width in lower Hazirabad plateau. Then in Andhra Pradesh, in Nellore district. Rajasthan, you find in Jaipur to Bhilwara, that is extend up to 320 km. Then you can find in Mysore and Hassan district of Karnataka, Coimbatore. In Tamil Nadu is Tiruchipalli, Madurai, another state. Alleppey in Kerala also. What is nuclear power? How the important nuclear power station in India? Mention the important nuclear power. So Nuclear is the power that is obtained by energy released from nuclear fission, and that is splitting of nucleus of radioactive mineral like uranium and thorium. The energy released from the nuclear fission is used to heat water. The steam released from it used to rotate a turbine which generate electricity. So important nuclear. Some I have telling you there are a number of even increased also. There's Tarapur, Maharashtra, then Kalpakkam, Nellore, Kaiga, Rawatbhata. Then next is name. Oh, I don't have to underline it. Name some ferrous metal, discuss their spatial distribution. So ferrous metal is like it is poorly endowed with non-ferrous metal except bauxite and copper. Bauxite is found mainly in tertiary deposit associated with laterite rocks, and bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Odisha happened to be the largest producer of bauxite. The other two areas you can see the Bolangir and Korapar, the peatland of Jharkhand. Copper deposit mainly occur in Singhbhum district in Jharkhand, Balaghat district in Madhya Pradesh. Next is what are the non-conventional source of what are the non-conventional source of energy? Non-conventional source of energy are those energy which has been recently put to use for commercial purpose. These are generally renewable and non-polluting source of energy. They have initial high cost of installation, whereas their long time running cost is low. And also they are environment friendly like solar, wind, tidal wave, geothermal, bioenergy. Then next is long type questions. So write a detailed note on petroleum resource of India. You have to basically where petroleum resources are found. So crude petroleum consists of a hydrocarbon of liquid and gaseous state varying in chemical composition, color, and specific gravity. It is an essential source of energy for all internal combustion engine in automobiles, railway, and aircraft. Then crude petroleum occur in sedimentary rock of the tertiary period. Oil exploration and production was systematically taken up after the oil and natural gas commission, that was in 1956. Then till then Digboy and Assam was the only oil producing region. After 1956 many other producing region have been set up. Then you can say the refineries are divided into two bases, field based and market based. So Digboy is the field based and then market based Baruni. So there are 18 refineries, maybe it increases. You can go and search how many refineries there are in India at present. Then next is write an essay on hydel power in India. So hydel power is a renewable energy resource because it uses the earth water cycle to generate electricity. Water evaporates from earth's surface, from clouds, precipitate back, that is water cycle. You can write that thing also here. To earth, flow toward the ocean. The movement of water as it flow downstream create kinetic energy that can be converted into electricity. Then technology, basically a hydroelectric power plant consists of high dam that is built across a large river to create a reservoir and a station where the process of energy conversion to electricity take place. The first step in generation of energy is a hydropower plant is the collection of runoff of seasonal rain and snow in lakes, streams, river during the hydrological cycle. The runoff flows to dam downstream. The water fall through a dam into a hydropower plant. It turns a large wheel called a turbine. Electricity is produced. Then potential in India, you can see India is blessed with immense amount of hydroelectric potential and ranked fifth in term of exploitable hydro potential on global scenario. As per assessment made by CEA, India is endowed with economically exploitable hydropower potential to the tune of that is 1,48,700 megawatt of installed capacity. So in addition, 56 number of pumped storage projects have also been identified with probable installed capacity of 94,000 megawatt. These facts you can find all those in Google also, as well as in the book also have been given. But if you want to update it, just find the correct updates, current facts. In addition to this, hydro potential from small, mini, and micro scheme have been estimated at 6,782 megawatt from 15 that is 1512 cities. Thus, in totality, India is endowed with hydro potential of about 2,50,000 megawatt installed capacity. That is huge. The total installed capacity of India at present is 36,878 megawatt. Might be it changes. Go through it because it might be changed. So in this chapter we have discussed about ferrous mineral, non-ferrous, conventional source of energy, non-conventional, then location of ferrous mineral, non-ferrous mineral, that is metal. Then we discuss use of petroleum, solar energy. Then why is India a rich variety of mineral? We have discussed also because of its various geological structure. So we have discussed a number of things. That's for today. What I have discussed is just a hint of the answer you get from it. You can add more and more point from yourself. Because that is a 30% is 150 over here. You can add more point from yourself and add the current facts. Just search it and add the current fact. That is more marks scoring. That's for today. Thank you. I've discussed the crux as well as its solutions. So thank you.